Actually, not everyone understands the struggle and how frustrating it can be dealing with dark spots, pimples, hyperpigmentation, and hi guys, welcome back to yet another video. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking around. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed so that you can see more videos from me. Today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys tips on how to get rid of your acne, pimples, and your dark spots. Okay, so if you're battling with acne, pimples, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, just keep on watching. First of all, you have to understand the causes of acne. When you expose your skin under the sun, it increases your skin melanin content, and too much sun exposure could lead to dark spots. In order to prevent pimples and dark spots, the first thing you want to do is avoid direct sunlight between the hours of 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Always use sunscreen. Like I said in my last video on how to get rid of sunburn, always wear sunscreen that have at least SPF 30. Okay, a whole lot of people don't talk about this. Avoid exfoliating too much and using harsh exfoliating products on your skin. I'll be showing you a DIY face mask that you can use in fading away or getting rid of your acne, your pimples, and dark spots. Okay, just apply it consistently for 7 days and it will fade away. So this is it in the bowl. I've already mixed this, but I'll be showing you guys a short clip on how to make this DIY face mask, and I'll be showing you how I apply it. Okay, so here are some ingredients you'll be needing to make the mask. You need turmeric powder, you need olive oil, then some milk. Olive oil moisturizes the skin, it prevents aging, repairs the skin, and cleanses the skin. So that is why I'll be using this in our DIY. Milk is a natural source of lactic acid. It acts as a gentle peel which helps to pull away dead skin cells. It helps to reduce the appearance of scars. It smoothens the skin and lightens dark spots. So another thing we'll be using is the turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is an antiseptic and anti-inflammatory agent. It is one of the most effective natural remedies for acne, pimples, blackhead, and aging. It evens out skin tone and reduces the appearance of acne. The first thing you want to do is put the milk in a bowl. Add some water to get it to a consistency of your desired choice. Next, I'll be adding half spoon of turmeric powder into the milk, and I will stir that very well. You want to stir this very well. So the next thing we'll be adding our olive oil. So I don't really measure it and stir. So you want to make your mask to be thick. You don't have to exfoliate your face to apply this mask. Yeah, I have the mask right here, so I'll be applying this to my face using my makeup brush. So I'll be applying that to my face. So one thing you want to do is to wash your face before applying the mask. So I've already washed my face, so that is why. So use your body wash to wash your face before applying the mask. Focus on the area you have hyperpigmentation. So you can apply this mask once a week or 2 times in a week. Okay, so this is good for sensitive skin, is also good for oily skin. It unclogs pores and lightens the skin. It fades away dark spots and acne. Until I met you, I was feeling. This thing stinks. You can also apply this to your neck area or any other parts of your body that you have hyperpigmentation, pimple, dark spot. This mask is very good in lightening your skin. It helps to get rid of your acne, your dark spots, your pimples and hyperpigmentation. So you can use this mask like 2 times in a week. You can apply it every day. After applying that to my face, I'll allow it to sit for 15 minutes. I'll be leaving this to stay on for 15 minutes before washing it out. And yeah, it's 15 minutes, guys. So I'll be going to wash up this mask with lukewarm water and I'll be right back to show you guys. So this is me after taking off the mask. And my skin feels like it has some yellow undertone to it. You want to use your shower bath or soap to wash off your face properly after using the mask. So this is after taking out the yellow undertone, although I still feel is there. So I'll be letting my face air dry, or you can use your towel. This is after drying out my face, and just as you can see, I have this here. So this mask, you have to use it for 5 days, 7 days to see the effect. So I'll be moisturizing my face. So this mask works. You have to apply it on your face for 7 days. You can use it like 2 times in a week, 3 times in a week. It all depends on you. You can decide to use it like straight up, like 1 week, in order to see results. So that will be it for this video. So yeah, it works. If you'll be trying this mask out, let me know in the comment section. If you have tried this mask out before, let me know how it worked for you. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.